Hello children, welcome back to your English 2 class. So today we are going to study poem that is Things People Do. Okay, that is on page number 94. So you all open page number 94. The poem is Things People Do. So children, in this poem you will find out there are so many people who are helping the society by doing so many things. Okay, like some are doctors, some are engineers. Like you all, when you all will grow up, you will become something. No, you all have some aim in your life. Some of you want to become doctors, some of you want to become engineers, some will become pilots, some will become teachers, some will go into police, so some will become photographers, some can become a chef. So there are so many things. Some may become even farmers. So there are so many things that people would do when they grow up. So in this poem we will see what are the different professions, you can say, and how different people are useful to society in their ways. So first I will read out the poem and then we will see. Okay, so things people do. Farmers grow the crops we eat, bakers make us bread. Fisher folk go out to sea while we are warm in bed. Authors write the books we read, artists paint and draw. Photographers take photographs, policemen keep the law. Teachers help us learn at school, doctors make us well. Workers in a factory make things to buy and sell. An astronaut in outer space, a keeper in the zoo. When you grow up, what will you be? There is something you can do. So this is a very nice poem. And so we begin with the first stanza, that is farmers grow the crops we eat. Farmers. Who are farmers? Farmers are the people who grow crops, the food that we eat. From where do we get it? Farmers. They grow the crops in the field and from there it goes to the shop and finally it reaches us and we eat those food. Crops are actually the plants that is grown by the farmers. The crops are the plants that farmers grow, that is known as crop. Okay. Bakers make us bread. So bakers are the people who make bread. You eat all those cakes, pastries, cookies, bread. That is all made by the person who makes it. They are known as bakers. Okay, so bakers make us bread. Not only bread, as I told, all the biscuits, cookies, pastries, cakes that we eat, that is all baked by baker. Fisher folk go out to sea. Fisher folk means people who catch fish and then they sell them to earn their livelihood. So those people who catch fish and sell them, they are known as fisher folk. While we are warm in bed. So what poet is trying to say that farmers, bakers, fishermen, they have something in common. Can you tell what is the common thing among farmers, bakers and fisher folk? They all provide us food. Okay, different kind of food. Like farmers, obviously they grow crop, the food we get, farmers they grow it. Then bakers, they also give us food. They make bread and cakes and pastries and cookies, everything. And fisher folk, they catch fish, and many people they eat fish. So the common thing among all these people are that they give us food. Now it is written, while we fisher folk go out to sea while we are warm in bed. So why fishermen? By this line we come to know that fishermen's work is not so easy. So why poet is saying that fishermen's work is not so easy? Because the fisherman is at sea, fishing at night when we are comfortably sleeping in our bed. We are comfortable there in our bed, and at that time fishermen, they are not sleeping but they are at sea and they are catching fish. So their work is not that easy. They are not sleeping and they are going out and catching fish. So that's why the poet is saying fishermen go out to sea while we are warm in bed, when we are sleeping in bed. Next, authors write the books we read, artists paint and draw. So authors are the people who write books, okay, like this book is there na, Gulmohar, okay. So who is the author? V. Shashi Kumar is the author of the book. So author means the person, the people who write a book, they are known as authors. So artists paint and draw. Artists mean those who are painters, artists, they do sketching, drawing, they are known as artists. Photographers take photographs. When you go to photo studio, or there are professional photographers in marriages or in any events you see. So they are photographers. They catch the moment. Like suppose you are receiving an award, or you are cutting the cake, or some wedding ceremony is going on. So to make the moment memorable, how you can make it? By clicking photographs. And who does the thing so beautifully? Photographers are there. They click the photo and they capture the moment, and they make it permanent. They store it for you, and it becomes a memorable moment. So whenever you see the photographs, you remember the past days. Yes, it happens in such and such way, and things like that. So photographers not only click the photos, they actually make memories. Policemen keep the law. To keep the law means to make sure that everyone is at peace, everyone is following the rules, nobody is breaking the rule, or nobody is breaking the law. So policeman is there to look after the peace. Teachers help us learn at school. Doctors make us well. Now teachers, what is the work of teacher? I am your teacher. I am teaching you. I am trying to make you things understand. Okay? Teachers give you moral values. Teachers teach you how to behave in a society, how to be a perfect person in life. So teachers teach you. Teachers explain the things to you. Teachers help you to make you understand the things which is maybe given in the book, and something which are not given in the book, that all thing also teaches you. Doctors make us well. Well means to feel better, not to feel sick. That is well. So if in case you fell ill or something, the doctors are there. They treat you and they make you feel good. Workers in a factory make things to buy and sell. Factory is a place where many things are made. Like it can be toys, it can be other metal things, it can be clothes, it can be anything which you see here. The pencil which you see, that is also made in factory. Eraser which you use, that is also made in a factory. So factory is a place where all the things are made and they are sold to people. So now tell me, how do this teachers and doctors they help us? So all the writers or authors, they write books that we can read, and teachers, what do? Teachers help you to understand them. The book is there. The author has written, writer has written the book. And what is the work of teacher now? Teacher will help you to, like this book only, okay? This poem, the author has written. And now what I am doing, what the teacher is doing, the teacher is trying to make you understand the poem. That is the work that is done by a teacher. And artists, why do we need artists and photographers? We need artists and photographers because they they help us to appreciate beauty. Artists are there, they'll see a beautiful scene and they will just they will portray that thing on a canvas, and when you see that picture, you say oh God, it looks so real. So they actually make you to appreciate beauty, the things they draw, the things they paint. Photographers are there, they capture so lovely scenes which we hardly notice. So their work is that they capture the moments, they draw the things, they paint the things, and we appreciate the beauty in that. Okay, so they actually help us to appreciate beauty. Now, doctors, workers, or you can say policemen. So can you tell me how doctors and policemen are similar? So doctors obviously they make us healthy by curing our illness or any diseases there. They cure it and they treat us, and they by the treatment we become fit and healthy. And policemen, they maintain law and order, they maintain peace by controlling the wrongdoers, by seeing people that they do not break any rules. Then how do factory workers help us? So in the factory workers they make things, and that we buy or sell. The thing that are made in factory we buy it, or maybe if I have a factory I'll make things and sell. So factory is a place where things are made to buy and sell, and the factory workers they help us to earn money or to spend money. Obviously you have to earn money to live a life, and also if you have a money you want to buy something, you have to spend money. So the factory workers they help us to earn or to spend money. An astronaut in outer space, a keeper in the zoo. Astronaut, who are astronauts? Who the person who travels outside the earth. That those people are known as astronauts. And outer space means out of the earth. The space which is outside earth is called outer space. Okay. So an astronaut in outer space, a keeper in the zoo. Keeper means the person who looks after the zoo, take care of the animals and all the neatness, everything, the food of the animal, supervises the zoo. The supervisor or the keeper who looks after the zoo is known as keeper. So how are astronauts and zookeepers useful? So astronaut, they are the people who explore space, find out more and more about space, because we don't go there, so we don't know about space. So astronauts, they go to space, they explore the space and they tell us about it, and we get the information about space. And while zookeepers, they maintain the zoo when we visit. When we go to the zoo, we see everything is so nice and at place. So how it is, obviously animals cannot do. So keepers are there who maintain the zoo. Now, when you grow up, what will you be? There is something you can do. Now, the poet is asking that when you grow up, like you people grow up, what you want to become? Obviously, everyone should have some aim at in your life. So, at the end of the poem, the poet is asking us to become something. So because why he is asking that what will you become? Because the poet wants to remind us that we too have to be useful to the society by helping others. Okay. And when you grow up, what will you be? There is something you can do. So what does the poet tries to tell us, or you can say what is this poem teaches? So this poem teaches that we too should be useful to society, and that we too should do our part by helping others. Okay, like these people these people, what we have seen, one thing is common among all these people, what we have seen: farmers, bakers, fisherfolk, authors, photographers, policemen, astronauts, that all of them, they help in one or the other way. So we too should do our part by serving the society. So this is all about in this poem, children. It's a very easy poem and very simple poem, and you all will learn the poem and you will learn the word meanings which is given. So that is all. Thank you.